All right, everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel in the garage. It's been quite a long time since I made a video. Just really ain't had anything worth video, and I had a couple of jobs come up and they both sort of fell through. So just sort of been hanging out, hanging low. But today, what I'm going to work on, I'll bring you outside. Today's video is going to be about attempting to fix the back door on my 02 F150. It doesn't open. Spin you around here. Will not open. The bottom unlatches, but the top doesn't. So I have an idea of what it might be. I hope it's not broke parts, but I believe these things have rods and cables inside them. I believe. I've never had one apart, so we'll find out. But I'll bring you back here in just a second. I've got the seats all moved up out of the way and got the back seats tilted up, so I've got some room to work. We're gonna get these inner panels off, or panel, I'm not even for sure. Might have one or just two, I don't know. Get them apart and we'll get at it. I'll bring you back. All right, so we're in the back seat of the truck, and we're in the back floorboard, seats up out of the way. But we're gonna attempt to take this apart. I don't make any promises or guarantees, but we'll give it a whirl. Got two Phillips head screwdrivers, or screws, right here. We'll take off. Let's see if I can do this without losing everything. That don't really see it. Look, yeah, there's two panels, got a top one and a bottom one, and the top overlaps the bottom, so we'll have to pop the top one off first. Really not for sure. Hopefully it don't break anything. One more back here. There it goes. Alright, there's the clips. Got 1, 2, 3. Looks like 5 of them. I'll set this out here out of the way. That was painless so far. Alright, a nut, 2 Phillips that I can see. I believe the handle comes off. I don't feel any screws in it. We'll find out. 1, 2. That looks like 10 millimeter. So 2 Phillips head screws right here, and a nut right here. Looks like 10 millimeter. Let's see how. Wow, check him out. Alright. Looks like we got like a one of those, I don't know really what you call them, a panel clamp back here. That'll probably break. Most likely. Yep, it did. Some on the bottom here. Let's see what we got. Oh, all right. Lift it up, and it comes out. So you got this, that set down into holes, and then you have where your nut and your two screws were, and then just lift it up out of its. Let's set it down here out of the way. Then you have your moisture barrier, and this is pretty important that it sticks back because it does a few things. It's called a moisture barrier, but it also helps deaden road noise, wind noise, stuff like that. So you'll want to make sure you put it back, and you might even have to tape it or glue it or something, but man, it is stuck. Try not to rip it, because it really needs to be there, like I said. And they meant for it to be there. It is stuck. We're going to get back here to our latch. It's right behind this. So we'll pull this. It doesn't feel very sticky now, so I'm probably going to end up having to tape it. Alright, let's see what we got. And yes, that little black tab did break. I don't need it. Oh. Okay. I believe I already see the problem. And that is not what I wanted to see. Well, crap. I don't know that I will be able to fix it. Get a light, I'll get you in here and show you what's going on. All right, see that cable right back there? That housing on that cable is broke, and it slides inside of this bracket right here. And the housing on that cable is what stabilizes it and allows the cable to pull without the housing pulling. So I do not know if I'm going to be able to fix that or not. I don't. I don't know. Crap. That's not what I wanted to see. All right, well, I'm gonna flip you off for a minute, do some figuring, and see if I can figure out a way to fix this thing. That's not what I was hoping to see. I was hoping to see maybe everything intact just come out of its clip, or maybe a rod that had came off of its pin or something like that. But all right, I'll bring you back when I make a decision. All right, so I've got the cable loose out of the latch, and I'll flip you around and show you what we got. This is the cable, this pin. This pin right here goes back here in this hole, stabilizes this section, and then this little piece right here is supposed to be made onto that housing right there, and it stabilizes this section of the cable so that the cable moves without the housing moving. And as you can see, this part of the clip has broke off. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. Not really for sure. So let me ponder on it a little bit longer, and I'll bring you back when I come up with something. All right, sad news. I'm not gonna be able to fix it right now. I got more than one problem going on. I'll flip you around and show you. if I can do it with one hand. Not sure if I can do that. But I showed you, saw earlier. Let me pull the cable out where this piece right here was broke. So if that wasn't enough to have to try to fix, as you can tell by the movement, the top, the same housing that hooks up here behind the bottom of this latch is broke too. That's why that cable moves up and down like that. It shouldn't, that housing shouldn't move like that. So really the only way to fix this is to replace the cable. So behind this seal, moisture seal, I can see it's got a one, I think that's either a bolt or a rivet. That is a torque bolt. So what we'll have to do is I'll have to order a cable and pull the latch out of the top. Pull it, well, I'm hooked on my jacket. Hold on a minute. All right. Pull the latch out of the top. Pull this out this way, cable and all. And put the new cable on this end. And then fish the cable back down through this hole down here where I can get it. Bolt this back in. And then pull the cable out and latch it into here. Because even, like I said, even if I was to be able to somehow fix this to where, you know, it wouldn't break in the next week, I still have a broke housing on top. So, only way to fix that is replace the cable. And that sucks, because that's really not what I wanted to do. But, anyway, we tried. Some things you can backyard engineer and some things you cannot. So I'll give you an update video as soon as I get a cable in, and we'll fix it. And but thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit your notification bell down there too. I know I don't put out a lot of videos, but I don't because I don't like putting out junk. If I've got something to record, then I'll record it. If not, I just don't put videos out. But until next time, guys.